Dear students, in this section we are now going to see about how to record content for uploading on our channel, how to ensure that we create high quality content and some basic points to keep in mind about it, and also the use of script so as we effectively record and create our content. So let's see the first element about recording content. For recording content, we first need to decide on what topic or particular interest sector are we going to show our recordings. It could be anything from how-to videos or tutorials which you are skilled across and have a liking or know it as a hobby. There could be even discussion videos wherein you are talking about a particular topic related to any particular interest, may it be in field of science, may it be in field of politics, may it be in field of food, whatever you like through. Also, there could be recorded videos about locations or places which you visit through, or there could be recorded videos about any events or any particular activity you are doing, like you are fond of cycling or maybe fond of cooking, or even you know anything which you believe you are good at, you have a keen interest into, and which you would love to share with other users. That would be the best content for your channel. Technically, to do both of these elements, there are some different steps. So when you want to start with recording your on-screen data or do a self-talk like currently what I am doing with you, you will need to use certain set of softwares. The most famous one of them are Camtasia if you are using a Windows system, or even Camtasia can be used for Mac. Then there is ScreenFlow, one software for recording your system data specifically for Mac. And then if you want to go with some free software, there is even Cam Studio. On the hardware end, you would require a nice microphone. You could be using your inbuilt laptop microphone, but a professional microphone would be something more suited. So let us go ahead and see the features of these software and something related to them, as well as how recording is even happening on this current screen of mine. So here I have opened the page of Cam Studio, which is a completely free to use software available for downloading out here, with the help of which you can do recording. It has all the basic features of record, stop, pause, and some editing and effecting as well. Apart from it, if you are looking for some professional software, there is Camtasia, a very famous software with the help of which you can do screen recording. Currently, this video is also recorded with the same software. Ideally, when one is recording with this software, there is one kind of bar which is there on the screen, like the one you can see at the bottom, which shows you the recording duration, the audio level of the recording, and the effects for pausing or starting, etc. Once I go ahead and stop and save this particular recording, it will be seen in an environment for editing, wherein I can add different elements and do a lot of stuff around making the video more precise, right from adding certain images or effects to making changes in the audio level or removing certain sounds or disturbances, and even adding any other elements or effects which I want to do so. So that's a feature which is possible with professional software like Camtasia, or else if you're having a Mac device, you can also use one more nice software known as ScreenFlow. This is a software specifically for Mac and is not available for Windows. So all these softwares have their pricing element with them, and there is also a long list of features of what you can do and tutorials in detail about how you can do them on all of these different varieties. And past that, for doing professional recording, You can search for any professional microphone and you will find online many varieties ranging from a very small range of $30-40 to higher ranges of even 100-200 or more dollars. Depending on what your requirement is, you can select through the same. Some research would be the best thing to give you an idea of the best kind of microphone you should buy for recording. Once you are done with that, you are set to go ahead and start your recording. The other element of recording is when you do not wish to just capture the screen or just capture audio, but also want to capture different locations or places, or actually want to capture something apart from your laptop or computer system. In that scenario, you will first need a camera or camcorder. A DSLR camera with high resolution is something which professional people use for recording. If you are having that budget available, you can definitely go for the same. If you want to just test and try for a trial purpose, then you can even use your smartphone camera and do the recording and understand how the features work. There are many applications in smartphone which help you indeed to capture videos really effectively, and like you would go ahead and do snapshots or capture selfies, you would be over a period of time even getting good professional exposure on doing self recording with your phones. Once you are having expert knowledge about it, you could then go ahead and invest your budget in a professional camera. So these are the basic technical starting points. We'll explore further details in our next tutorial. Thank you.